Tip number 12 is about beverages, and really it's just a reminder that water makes up most of our body, and so it is the most important drink for us to consume each day. Low-fat dairy is also important. Green or black tea and even coffee contain antioxidants, and so these can be added to our diet quite safely. Watch for large serving sizes of beverages and upsizing. The typical thing now is to go to the cafe and be asked if you would like the middle size serve, when really the serve we should be having is only about 250 mils in total. Sugar sweetened drinks, soft drinks, have gone from treat food to everyday. And these can be a real problem for our weight, for our waistline, and also increasing blood triglycerides, a type of fat in our blood that's affected by refined sugars.